In this tip, we'll see how to use the copy module to create a deep copy of collections. First, let us see an example with a function which modifies a list in place. So input here is a list object, and this function is going to pop the last element of the list and insert it at the beginning of the list. So consider this list of numbers, and let's see what happens when you rotate this list. So you will see this nums itself is modified. The last element of this list has been inserted at the starting position. So we passed this object to this function, and this function is modifying that object within the function itself. So this is because assignment statements in Python do not copy objects. They create bindings between a target and an object. So this is helpful in cases where you don't want to create a copy, modify something, and assign the results back to that variable. But in some cases, you want to create a completely new copy of a collection. So in such cases, we can use the copy module. So first, let us import the copy module, and let us declare a two-dimensional numeric list, and let us create a deep copy. So you need to call the deep copy method from the copy module, and then you can pass this list, or you can pass a slice if you need. Let us verify that changing something in this copy does not affect the original list. So we are going to modify the first element of the first nested list, and let us check the contents of these two lists. So we can see the first element of the first nested list has been modified for this deep copy, and let us check our original list. You will see that has not been modified because this method creates a fresh copy of every element recursively. Hope you enjoyed this tip.